boxes here and you want to assemble. In the box, you're going to find 2 uprights, holes up and down, laser cut S's, 4 gussets here, these little triangle pieces, laser cut S's, 16 bolts, 16 nuts, 16 lock washers, okay? Also, 4 of these L-shaped brackets, 2 of the feet, 1 of the stabilizer bar, okay? Now, let me show you how to put this bad boy together. The 2 tools you'll also need to put this together, I have here. A small adjustable wrench, or any wrench will work. A socket wrench, which has a 9/16 socket on it, okay? With those 2 tools, you'll be able to tighten this whole rack together. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's start with the first step, which is laying out the base you're gonna assemble. You'll notice on these stabilizing pieces that you join, there's 3 holes here and 1 hole here. You're going to take the side with 3 holes and point it towards the long piece. So just like this, set it flush in the middle between the 2 holes, and same on this side. Then I'm gonna lay my L brackets right next to it. From here, I'll take 2 bolts, I'm gonna slide them through the L bracket, out the other side, and simply add a lock washer and a nut. And now I'll come to the other side and do the same process. And for these ones, remember, you go from the outside facing in. So from the outside, slide through. All right, and then the last nut here to hand tighten the base of this, okay? That's tight enough. All right, so now we're gonna take 2 gussets here, 2 per side. It has 3 holes on this side and 2 holes on this side. The side with 3 holes is gonna be for the upright. The side with 2 holes is gonna run along the base. So I'll put 1 here on the outside. 2 holes go down and here. Now I'm gonna slide a bolt through. We'll add a locker and a nut. Now you're ready for a lovely upright to go in. You're just simply going to slide it between the 2 gussets. Should slide nice and easily. And then you're going to apply a bolt through to secure it. 1 nut, 1 locker. All right, and then the final hole. Should slide through easily as everything's lining up. Apply the locker and the nut. Just a little hand tighten. And now you're ready to go do the other side. Same thing for the other side. 2 gussets go together. Bolt goes through from the outside. Hand tighten that, and our final bolt through the bottom, out the other side. Last time you have to hear me say locker, nut, hand tighten. All right, now we're ready to start to batten this whole thing down. Might be a little wobbly as the hand tighten bolts start to get tight. You're gonna see this thing kind of come together nice and straight. So you can start with the back upright first. for this back piece. I'm gonna use my crescent wrench. Don't need to over tighten. So here you have it, the new Strength Co. bolt together captain. Ships easily, stable, holds a lot of weight, laser cut, one of a kind. Order one of these today, best purchase you ever made.